Hello friends, in uPVC Windows option series today we will share with you the things to be checked with the fabricator or manufacturer while buying uPVC windows. Suppose you have quotation from one of the manufacturer for uPVC doors, casement, 2-track or 3-track windows. Then first thing to be checked is the type of the uPVC profile he is going to use in your windows or doors. The size, the dimensions of the sash and the frame of the profile, the type of the glass, the make of the glass, if it is sand gobbin or not. In the type you can check if it is toughened, frosted, clear, the thickness of the glass, if it is a 5 mm, 6 mm, 8 mm or 20 mm. You also need to check the quality of the mosquito net, if it is of stainless steel or not, and the hardware used, the company, the make of the hardware, the type of the hardware, if it is touch lock, handles. Additionally, you can check the GI used in the windows or doors, because in our uPVC you have slots available where GI has to be placed. So this ensures the strength of uPVC. So the thickness of the GI and the GSM both are important for the quality of uPVC windows. This is 1.2 mm thick and 120 GSM GI. You also need to know the sash. So here we have 3-track and 2-track along with the sash. So these two sashes are for different size windows. This sash is for the windows 6 feet or lower height. This is for higher height windows. So today we have covered the quality which you need to ensure for uPVC windows. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you friends.